Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to enable or disable startup applications in Linux Mint. This instantly controls which software launches automatically when you boot your computer, allowing you to speed up system start times and clear out background memory hogs. Open your system menu by clicking the Linux Mint logo in the bottom left corner of your taskbar. Type Startup into the search bar and click the Startup Applications icon from the results to open the management panel. When the configuration window pops up, you will see a complete layout list of every application authorized to boot with your desktop. To disable an application from launching automatically, locate its row and click the green toggle switch on the right side to turn it off. To re-enable a background app, simply click that same toggle switch back to the on position to flip it to active green. If you want to completely remove a custom entry from the list, click to highlight the item and click the minus sign button at the bottom. Cinnamon applies these startup profile rules in real time, so you can simply click the X button at the top corner to close out the panel. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.